Welcome to the Great Wall of China. The following takes place 130 kilometers northeast of Beijing. Before we get started, here's some important information to make your life easier at the Great Wall of China. First of all, there's 3 different areas to visit when you are visiting the Great Wall of China. In my case, in this video, we are going to Jinshanling. Take a screenshot of this to understand the differences. Next, each of these 3 different areas has multiple entry points. So when you're buying a ticket, you need to know which particular gate you're going to. In my case, I'm going to the Simatai gate at Jinshanling area. And stay till the end of the video and I'll give you a link to make your booking life much easier with everything in English and easy access to these 8 different areas. Alright, with that being said, let's start the video. Good morning, and we are back at where we started yesterday, which is Gubei Watertown. Check out this beautiful view, can't get enough of that. And today we're going to go up to the Simatai part of the Great Wall of China. The question is, where do I start? So yeah, our driver just dropped us off at the same place as yesterday for entering Gubei town. So no idea yet, but we're going to find out shortly, and I'll see you on the move as we start climbing towards the Great Wall of China. All right, see you in a moment. Simatai ticket office, there we go. Right next to the horse carriage. This is an overview of the Simatai Great Wall section, which is 10 towers. But right now, let's focus on the entry point. The bridge on the left is where I entered, and right now I'm at the ticket office. Once you've validated your ticket, you ride the shuttle with 19 other passengers. Ni hao, welcome to the Simatai Express. I'm leading this tour. Maria, Nicola.
Hello.
Woo! All right. Well, there was no sing-alongs on the shuttle ride to the ticket checking office. But while I've got your attention, let me just tell you a few things about Simatai Great Wall. There's a cable car going to the top, and there's the old school way of just climbing it raw. The cable car tickets can be bought with your main ticket when you are buying it online. Otherwise, you can buy it at the ticket checking office, and it's a 50% discount for children. Pack yourself a backpack and remember to bring SPF 50 water and an electrical fan. You're gonna need it. I actually came here last night. And finally, we arrived on time to the checking gate, where we're gonna catch the cable car to go up. Alright, we're about to get started. Entrance to the Great Wall. Let's go. At the gate, you have 2 options. You can climb it old school from ground level all the way to the top, to tower number 10, or take the cable car to the top levels and choose between tower number 8 or 5. This is our ride. Woo!
Yeah, everybody.
Nicola, you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
This is sweet. Thank God.
Riding the cable car,
Wait.
and Nicola's feeling,
Not safe.
oh yeah,
What?
this is going high.
Too high.
Oh God,
What?
oh God,
But do you know how high we are right now?
I'd rather not be concerned.
What?
It felt reasonably safe, and the 7 minutes went smoothly, and we enjoyed the views of Gubei Watertown on the way up.
You
finally feel connected
Finally.
to the edge.
We are going to arrive at the top station. Please keep yourself sitting while on the seat.
All right, we have arrived. Let's take the cable car up. This place is a small shop and toilets, and now we're gonna head up to tower number 8 and then walk down to the point just between tower 6 and 5 to make it back to the cable car. So I guess you're wondering how the cable cart was, and we're gonna ask our junior journalist with us, Nicoletta B. Nicola, how was the cable cart?
Creepy.
All right.
Scary if it falls.
But it was fine. It took 7 minutes from the ground to the top. And now we're gonna go to checkpoint gate number 8. See you in a moment. The views of Gubei Watertown from up here was amazing, but let me tell you, I was slowly dying. Actually, everyone was. It's a good 15 to 25 minute walk up some steep stairs to get to checkpoint number 8. Oh, lots of stairs. It's hot. 32 degrees, feels like 40. We have to climb.
How is that?
Yep, and we got to climb another. Actually, it's right up there. I can see it, Nicola. All right, see you on the top in 5-10 minutes, Indian time. We made it to the top. Look at that. So I'm at checkpoint 8 right now. Check out this view. Absolutely stunning. And so that's checkpoint 8. If I do wish to climb it, actually that's checkpoint 9, we're at checkpoint 8 right now. It's hot, but it was worth the trip up. Let me show you the other side. So as you can see, this gate extends all the way to the other side. Amazing. So all these cool spots, and we found this one spot where Nicola is. How is it over here, Nicola? You got a good breeze? Oh yeah. And then, as you can see, the gate continues all the way down to checkpoint 5, which we're gonna look at in a moment. These are all the rooms. A couple of windows here. Okay, so this checkpoint's a bit damaged, so he's gonna take the stairs down, and I'm gonna hold your hand. Careful now. That is the size of 2 centimeters right there. Nicola is climbing the Great Wall of China.
And this is dangerous. Really dangerous.
What did you just see? A big hornet?
Oh yeah.
Was it scary?
I was sitting on your back.
But check out the view.
Woohoo.
And some ladies following us, among the other Chinese ladies who want to take photos with us. Very popular. Fucking hell.
Anybody?
That's just a fly. All right, we have the whole place to ourselves. We're gonna have a bit of a picnic over here. Nicola, how does it look? That's checkpoint number 5 down there.
No, we're not going down.
That's the only way out of here. And there's Maria flipping, tripping. Oh, yes. We are at checkpoint number 6. Look at that, there it goes. And Nicola's feeling very energetic and cold because it's quite windy out here. But
Like winter.
how cold is it?
Winter.
Right, thanks for the goofy face. Been seeing that all holiday, that's the thing. All right, now we're gonna head further down. See you in a wee bit. And that is a wrap. In between checkpoints number 6 and 5, we're going that way back to the cable car and out of here. Peace out, see you at the bottom. Wow. Cool, man. How's it?
Welcome to take the rework. People orientate safety first. Please don't. 请勿抛扔废弃物，搬动轿厢设施。在所当运行途中，请勿将头、手臂伸出窗外，以防被障碍物刮伤。有秩序地迅速下车，并按引导标志从出站口出站。感谢您的光临，祝您游玩愉快。Dear passengers, we are going to arrive at the bottom station. Please keep yourself sitting well on the seat. Take care of the elderly, children, disabled. After door opens automatically, please get out of the cabin orderly with the guidance of the staff. And then exit the station according to the guidance sign. Thank you for taking the road break.
还骗呢？
Hey, Shashini. Unfortunately, the shuttle bus runs hourly on the way back, so demand a shuttle bus and it will be delivered. The hospitality is very good. You just need to be a bit assertive. We are done and we are now going to catch some goofy videos. Nicola, why are you acting goofy?
Yeah.
Oh boy. I'm sitting between crazy here. Here's the QR code to buy the Simmentai Great Wall Pass and the Gubei Watertown Pass as a package, and also can get the cable car pass at this site. For the 7 other entry points, download the Klook app and use my discount code for easy tickets, and everything is in English. Thank you for watching and see you in the next adventure.